That's how the panels get together for the walls. For the floors also, it's the same system, but it's horizontal. They get installed horizontally. First, the connectors get to the prior panel, and the next panel adjusted, and now one more hit up there. One tap up, one tap down. Okay, that's good. That's good. Down. Very nice. Now the sink. Excellent sink. One more up. One more up. Dikit-dikit bola. All the pins get in first to the previous panel. Also, we could have installed them before installation of the previous panel. Either way. Excellent. Nice and tight. Now the next panel is here. I get to the bottom track. The top track will be installed after all the walls are in line. First, they inline the connectors to the proper pipe inside the panel.